Hello and welcome back to another episode of Frugal Footprint. I'm Brian, and in this video series we're building a patio furniture storage bin. So in the last videos we got everything cut out, we have it mostly assembled, but before I can attach the doors and the hinges for this lid here, it's just floating there right now, I'm gonna go through and seal it up. I have this caulk that I'm gonna use to basically seal up all of the edges along the bottom here. And then there's a couple spots in some of the plywood where there's knots in the wood and some uneven surfaces. And I'm just gonna use this almost like wood putty just to fill those in, smooth it out. First thing I'm gonna do is set it down on its front so that way I can get along the bottom edge without getting grass up in there. And then we'll just work our way through the whole thing. All right, let's get to it. So here you can see this is just a knot in the wood. We have some cracks here. So I wanted this to be more of a smooth surface, so I'm actually just gonna use this sealant, almost like wood putty. Fill in these gaps. All right, so that was a pretty easy task. Just gotta wait for this to dry. I'm gonna go get the paint and then we'll paint this thing. So I just got back from the paint store. We got this color here, smokescreen, gray, brown, something in that family. I think it's gonna look really nice. First I have to prime this. I'm gonna do the entire thing in primer and then we'll be on to painting. Okay, so I noticed pretty early on that a quart of primer is not going to be enough, so I actually just started with all of the exterior parts. That's the lid, one of the doors, you can see back here. I also did the bottom just to seal it up. The other door is behind it, and I think that's going to be good. I just want it safe from the elements, and then on the inside it's not going to be primed, but I'll just do 2 or 3 coats of paint, which is exterior paint, and that I think will be good just to keep it sealed up from the elements and help us, keep it clean on the inside and looking good as well. All right, montage done. So we have everything sealed, primed, painted, couple coats of paint. I think it looks really great, and that wraps up this video. So go ahead, hit the like button, let me know what you think in the comments below, and hit that subscribe. Stay tuned for the last video in this series, where I will be finishing up the build. I will see you then and there. Until then, take care.